guys, it's Diary Life, and today I'm at my friend's house and we are going to be showing you some awesome slimes. I hope you enjoy!
Hey guys, I'll be showing you the Magnetic Putty. So it's really fun to play with, as you can see. You can put magnets in there and it's really cool. I would put it in a cool place and it's really fun to play with. The thing is, it's not that stretchy, so if you try to stretch it, it doesn't stretch, so it will literally just break easily, but it's really fun. And yeah.
So now it's me back, Elle, and we've got the Professor Pengelly's light up glow in the dark putty, and I think this is really good. So this is it in the pot. It's quite thick and it's very good in my opinion. Unlike the magnetic putty, it's very stretchy and as you can see, it pops quite a lot and very stretchy, so I think it's very good. And at the end we will also do a montage of us like squishing the slimes.
Hey guys, it's A and I am going to show you Marty's slime. So the good things about it, it's really squishy and playful and very jiggly, like this, as you can see. It doesn't make a sound as much as the other ones, but it's quite wet and it sticks onto like fabrics and hair very easily and you can't get it off. So yeah. Satisfying montage coming up.
Hey guys, so I hope you enjoyed this really satisfying video and the montage at the end. I think it was super funny when we dropped the pink slime onto the table in slow motion. So we're just going to be talking about these slimes and giving them a rating out of 10. So first we have the magnetic slime. It's really cool, but we've been poking it for ages and it's doing really well. Really squishy and stuff. Out of 10, how would you rate it?
I would say maybe 9 because it isn't that stretchy, but everything else is really awesome.
Let's see it stretch. It breaks instantly. So this is the Marty's slime, almost forgot the name there. And this is a very wet, jelly-ish slime. Loads of people will call this jiggly slime. And I would probably call this something like butter, not butter slime, jelly slime, or as you guys call it, jiggly slime. It has a rating out of 10. I would give it something like 5 or 6 because it's super satisfying, but it does not rip at all, and it sticks to things, and it's kind of wet. So I'm now talking about the Professor Pengelly's Putty UV Hyperactive Green Glow in the Dark Slime. That's a very long name. I'd probably give this a 9 or a 10 because it's very stretchy, unlike the Marty's slime, and also it makes quite a lot of noises. But the only problem about this slime is it's quite solid. Like, this is me pushing very hard and it's quite solid. But anyway, this is a very good slime because it doesn't stick to clothing. It makes like noises, like popping noises, and it can stretch very far.
Hey guys, so it's fine, no, just keep it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. That will be one of our bloopers, but comment down your favourite part of the video, if it was a slow motion part, if it was a part of us talking, which is probably rare because we're so boring. But I'm really sorry because this was a very long video, but I just love spending time with my friend. So I hope to see you in our next video. Bye. And also the drawing your comments video will come out tomorrow at about 5 o'clock. Goodbye.
Bye.